Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 420. Let's make note of the time. It is now 11:10 p.m. on October 11th, and the last team would have sold around 11 p.m., which would have been Winnipeg, and we're about 10 minutes after the last eBay auction has gone, and we are ready to go. And happy Thanksgiving for those of us in Canada. This is for one box of extended retail, and it happens to be box 18 of 20, all from the same sealed case of retail. And we're going to be doing boxes 19 and 20 tomorrow and Wednesday. Hopefully we see you then too. The serial number you see there was listed in all 31 listings on eBay. If you open up your description on the team that you bought, you'll see that it is box 18 of 20, and that serial number was posted. If you haven't already, please subscribe to 1313 Milan Soccer on YouTube. If you don't, it's okay. I always send the email link via eBay. Now let's go through the rules. There's been a few new guys, so we're just going to go over just quickly how it works. Let's pick on Nuxlockman because he's been with me for a while and he's a good guy. He owns the Avalanche and the Jets. I'm going to open up this box. There's going to be anywhere from 19, 20, or 21 hits. There's 3 or 4 or 5 packs with no hit in it, and those are the dead packs. I'm going to set those hits aside, and any Colorado Avalanche cards or any Winnipeg Jets cards, I'm going to mail them to Nuxlockman to a shipping address on eBay. Please make sure your eBay shipping address is up to date and accurate, because that's what I use to ship your cards. In the unfortunate event that there are no Colorado Avalanche cards or Winnipeg Jets cards, I'm going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to Nuxlockman because there's nothing to mail. I know he paid 50 cents per team, but that is a small collection from everybody to help pay with the amount of product that needs to go out with extended retail, between postage, letters, packaging, top loaders. It can get costly. So again, that's just a small collection for the group break. If he does have a hit coming to him, he's going to be a little bit patient, only because COVID is still slowing things down, but everybody does get their cards. Okay, guys? Email me if you have any questions, or else let's get to it. Gorjo owns the Flyers, the Leafs, and the Canucks. Unique Fuji has the Carolina Hurricanes and the Dallas Stars. Nuxlockman has the Avalanche and the Jets. Oscar has the Coyotes, the Sabres, the Kings, the Wild, the Rangers, and the Ottawa Senators. Pavel 13802 has the Ducks, the Jackets, the Panthers, the Canadiens, and the Washington Capitals. Sasha has the Flames and the Sharks. Sergeant B has the Oilers, the Predators, the Devils, the Islanders, the Penguins, the Blues, the Lightning, and the Vegas Golden Knights. Spring has the Boston Bruins, and rounding us out, Willave 37 has the Blackhawks and the Detroit Red Wings. All right, let's remember that serial number, 348040, as they bring us over to the webcam. Now the upper deck symbol landed right on the serial number, so I had to cut a little flap open. So I'm going to open that up, and hopefully you guys can see it. 348040, as promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. I'm going to cut it open, and I will show the serial number again so it's clear as day. But yeah, the logo landed right on the serial number. And we're just going to show that again. Be 100% transparent. 348040. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. "24 packs of fun. Good luck." Our first hit is a Anze Kopitar for your LA Kings. Ultimate Victory. And the way it works is generally 1 hit per pack. If you do not know, Thomas Harley for your Dallas Stars, Holo FX. Congratulations to Dallas. That is how the basically all Upper Deck product works for the Series 1, 2, and Extended. We have a Milansoccer1313 Hollow Effects for your New York Islanders. Very nice. Congratulations to the Islanders. And in the hobby, it's a little bit easier because it's 1 hit per pack. In retail, there could be anywhere from 3, 4, or 5 dead cards. Congratulations to the LA Kings, Author Kalev. Nice hit for the Kings. Kid's going to be something special. Young gun incoming. For your New Jersey Devils, Kevin Ball. I'm going to move the cursor so we don't time out. Rookie class, Cal Foote for your Tampa Bay Lightning. Rookie class, once again, for your New York Islanders, Milansoccer1313. Congratulations to the Islanders. And this week, we also have Allure, if you guys are interested. Ty Smith, rookie victory for your New Jersey Devils. And we have a Connor McDavid for your Edmonton Oilers. I've never seen this one before. CM5, and it's red. Nice card for the Edmonton Oilers. Ultimate victory. Very, very nice. Oh, it's numbered, that's why. Check that out. So it's a short print. Out of 350. Nice card for the Edmonton Oilers. Congratulations. Those are really hard to hit, let alone in hobby. And for you to get a short print in retail, that is big. Congratulations. Big card. Retro card coming up. Our first for the Philadelphia Flyers, James Van Riemsdyk. There's generally 3 or 4 of those cards in the box too. We are looking for the rookie variation, however. And there it is. For your New York Rangers, Alexei Lafreniere. Nice, nice card for your New York Rangers. Big hit. Congratulations to the New York Rangers. Let me know if you want tracking to the owner of the Rangers. Niels Höglander for your Vancouver Canucks. Ultimate victory. This box is fantastic. Connor McKay for your Calgary Flames. Young Guns. NHL Hollow Effects for your Pittsburgh Penguins. Not bad, Sidney Crosby. What a great box, and we still got so much to go. Short print McDavid, the Lafreniere, a couple Sorkins. Our first dead pack. Back-to-back dead packs. Like I said, there could be anywhere from 3, 4, or 5 dead packs. Our first orange Dazzler for your Anaheim Ducks, Ryan Getzlaf. going to hit the cursor so we don't time out. And we have a checklist between Florida Panthers and the LA Kings that we're going to have to randomize off between Alexei Heponiemi and Arthur Kalev. So we'll leave that aside, and we will do that at the end. Do not want to switch back and forth. I'm going to leave the integrity of the break here. Rookie class, Nick Robertson for your Toronto Maple Leafs. Box just gets better and better. Young gun incoming, Jack Rathbone for your Vancouver Canucks. We have a Reflections for your Buffalo Sabres, Dylan Cousins. Wow. Congratulations to Buffalo. We have another retro card, this time for your New York Rangers, Milansoccer1313. Congratulations to the Rangers. Final pack, and then we'll do the randomization between Florida and LA. And it is another retro, this time in the form of Sidney Crosby. Not bad. 506. That's his year. All right, let's put this card on top, and we're going to randomize now. We're going to go back to the main screen. Bring you guys back, and we're going to load up our random, and we're going to go in order they came in. So Florida, LA Kings, Florida, and the LA Kings. I'm going to randomize 3 times, and the team at the top will own that checklist Young Gun card. Once, twice, and a third and final time. The LA Kings are the owner of that Kalev Heponiemi card. Now let's make note of the time. It is now 11:22 p.m. and I want to thank everybody, and great box. Congratulations, and hope to see you guys tomorrow night.